All right, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P. I'm going to do this video kind of quick because I want to snatch my profits. All right, for those who have the Simplicity system and you attended class yesterday, we discussed this trade right here. And I told you that I took this one on my live account. We actually discussed taking it in class yesterday. So for those who held it, congratulations. As you can see, it did do that pullback. And as I talked about in class yesterday, I said, whenever you see slant patterns, they always tend to pop up. Okay, they always tend to do the same thing. It's just a matter of when. Okay, so if you do that, just put it across, it'll bottom out, wiggle, and pop up. You see it did the same thing, drop and pop up. Wiggle, slant pattern, pop up. Okay, here's another one. Go up, drop, creates the slant pattern. Okay, and this is just rehearsal for the students. If you're not a student, I don't know what to tell you. That's on you. But you can constantly see it over and over again. Right there, you know, regardless of where you put it. You can say this was the slant, popped up, slant, pop up, slant, pop up, slant, and what do you see? A pop up. You can see it here. Slant, hit support, pops up. Slant, hit support, pops up. Slant, hit support, pop up. Over and over and over again. So anyway, that was the trade that we discussed in class. And let me show you the one I sent out to the signals group. So on this one, you can see, and I sent out a screenshot showing them, everybody, that it was a double bottom, a triple bottom rather, 1, 2, and 3. But what happened was news came out from the Bank of England saying that, you know, for interest rates for the Great British Pound or the pound. And so it caused it to spike, and it did hit our, it did hit our stop loss. But I told them, hey, let's jump right back in that bad boy, and boom, see, because I knew I was right about the trade. It was just, there's nothing you can really do about news events. Okay, nothing you can do about news events. They're gonna happen, and you know you're gonna lose some trades because of news events, but it has nothing to do with the setup. And so I told everybody, let's get right back up in that bad boy, and boom, as you can see, we hit profit. I'm about to close it out. I'm gonna show you on the 15-minute with the sexy analyst. You see it's hitting that trend line on the 15-minute, so that means it's getting ready to do a pullback, and I want to keep as much profit as possible on this trade. So I'm going to close this video. Just want to show you guys that. Let me show you gold. I took a gold trade as well. Boom. Look at that, baby. Look at that one. So pretty. All right. I'm just going to switch it to the sexy analyst by itself. And there you go. You can see it hit the demand supply zone right here. It just created a double top on this one. And I took that trade just a little while ago, maybe 30 minutes ago or an hour ago, something like that. And boom, you can see it worked its way up, hit that double top. My sexy analyst told me what to do, and took this thing on to the downside. So I'm going to hold this one for a little bit. You know what I mean? I'll close out a couple of positions, but man, look at how pretty and crispy that entry is. And that's off the 1 hour time frame. Like I told you guys, the students, for those who are my students, who bought the Simplicity system, you come to class, which are free classes, by the way. You don't pay for the classes, you just get the same trading system, and you're good to go. But I told you guys in class yesterday about these things. Okay, so here's another example off the 1 hour time frame, you know, and did a double top right there. Sexy analyst showed me what I wanted to see. If you're in the signals group, you got the free daily dot. I have my resistance level there with the sexy analyst. Okay. So no matter which way you look at it, it was pretty. I'm telling you, this was a pretty trade. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, here's the view from Simplicity. And you can see it hit the top of our zone on the 1 hour. And I just took it to the downside. There you go. All right, here's the combination of sexy analyst mixed with Simplicity, and how can you not see it? And these are the trades I keep telling you guys. Take the trades where when you look at it, you say to yourself, man, how could I not see this? You know, how can you not have seen this trade? This is just begging you to come and get it. Okay. And I put and remember I told you guys with our supply and demand zones, which is automated with the sexy analyst in combination with Simplicity. I told you that I use these as my levels to put my stop loss above. So no longer do I have to guess where's the best place to put my stop loss or whatever, you know. I just use these because these are already dictating and telling here. And there you go. Okay. All right, so I end this video. Let me start cashing out my profits and calling it a day. By the way, in the signals group, we're 9 and 1. 9 and 1 in the signals group this week so far.